Hello, you're on mute. You don't want to talk to me? Is that it?
I'm not. Okay, pink, pink.
Yes, I love
What
pink.
pink? Really? Oh my
Yes,
God. This is
I love.
something new about you that you love pink. Okay.
Uh, I have liked pink for a lot of years actually. I just, I don't know. Maybe I just didn't wear it in front of anyone.
Yeah, it suits on you.
Yes, pink, baby
Yeah.
pink are my favorite colors.
Okay. Great, great.
So, do you want to make fun of my pink shirt? Is that it?
No, of course not. I just wanted to say that you're looking good today. So nice. So
Only
yeah.
today, na? I knew it.
No, no, no. Of course not. I mean, you always look good, but today it's new.
I'm
I think
kidding.
pink is something new today.
I'm
So it
kidding.
is
I'm
like
totally kidding. Please.
glowing.
hmm Thank you. By the way, my wedding sherwani was pink.
Are you serious?
Yeah, actually,
No, I mean pink color you like is fine, but you actually have pink wedding sherwani.
I had, yes.
Yeah,
So
I think you still have. You cannot like throw it away after wedding. You should. You have to keep it.
I don't know if you can see this. Can you see this?
Oh my God! Yeah, what a beautiful picture.
This is my calendar actually. My photographer gave me the calendar. I don't know if you can see this.
Okay, you have to keep it in front of you always. Maybe it's so beautiful.
Yeah, because I have to check the dates, right, when I'm taking sessions and setting up meetings.
Okay, I thought it's a reminder that I'm married.
Wow. I don't need a reminder that I'm married, okay?
No, not a reminder actually. What should I say? It's a realization or maybe something. I'm not getting the word proper word,
No,
but
no. I'm married for almost I have been married for almost 2 years now, so I don't need to remember that. And I have an awesome wife, so she won't let me forget that.
okay. Oh, that's so sweet. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I was asking you because today's topic is recalling a funny incident. So I thought you were just trying to be funny and make fun of my pink t-shirt.
Okay. No, 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 not at all. It was not a part of that, but yes, it's a good coincidence.
So you were making fun of my t-shirt. That's what you're saying.
Of course not. I have already cleared that you're looking so good. That's
I'm
why I just
joking.
complimented you.
Jeez. I'm kidding.
Okay, but you should not feel like I'm making fun of you. That's why
No,
I'm just clarifying it again
I'm
again.
not insecure like that. Don't worry. I think
Okay.
a lot of my friends, especially with guys, it happens. You make fun of each other. I just don't care. A lot of people get offended. A lot of people,
Yeah,
and
exactly.
I see some YouTube comments also, and I just don't care because I know what I'm doing is right, and I'm not hurting anyone, so I'm fine with it.
Okay, so as you mentioned, you do you, shall I say something?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so I have a lot of comments like you're so good, you're so good looking, handsome, and not just about your looks, about your your teaching skills, your understanding, your expressing, your giving examples. Everything is just wow. And someone said today itself that you're just famous on YouTube. So yeah, I thought it's a compliment. So I told you.
Yes, yeah. Thank you so much, guys.
Okay. Thank you.
Hopefully, I'll be able to keep providing value to everyone.
Yeah, you're actually doing this. And people are
Yes,
loving it.
I love it too. I love it as well, because it. I get a lot of comments like this, and I understand how people can get value out of it. But also, I want to remind them that by watching someone else's session, you're not going to improve your language because
Exactly.
let's say I tell you that you're making a mistake. It could be something that they're making as well, but for them the solution could be something else.
Yeah,
So they
they
need to
can relate,
understand that.
but they can relate to it, but they cannot get from it 100%.
Yes, yes, exactly.
Yeah.
But I think now we've digressed enough. I think we should go back to the topic.
Yeah. Otherwise, the time will just
No, no, I
over.
think I'm sure at 19 minutes you'll say, "Oh, the session just started." How did the
No,
time
no.
get over?
Let's just start then.
Yeah, okay, cool. So today's topic is recalling a funny incident.
Yes.
So as the topic title uh, entails, or like it says, uh, Do you recall any funny incident that happened with you during college or your school days with your friends or your family? Anything you would like to share?
Okay. Yeah, there are lots of, but as you mentioned college first, so I would like to share one from my college. So there was an annual function in college, and I was a part of committee members who is going to like plan the game for all the students or all the people.
You were going to organize the games.
Yeah, I mean I was a part of that.
Hmm.
So there were boys and girls both. So we
Mhm.
girls internally decided to have one game that is only for boys, and we have decided that. And after all the games, at the end, we did not tell anyone, even to the committee members. I mean, who were boys in our group. So the game was there was a pair of two boys. There
Mhm.
would be a pair of two boys, and they have to, and we would give them a sari, and they have to internally decide that who is going to wear a sari and who is going to help them. Not help them actually, who is going to make him wear. What should I
Yeah.
say?
So one person has to stand and the other
Yeah,
person has to put the sari on the other person.
on yeah, exactly. Other person has to put this sari on other on the other.
One person has to put the sari on the other person.
One person has to put the sari on other person. Yeah,
Yes.
exactly. Okay, then when we disclosed the game, people was just crazy. Crowd was just like, there was noise and they were so excited. And the pair, I mean the participants who came with an excitement, they was just shattered. They are like, no, no, I don't. We don't want to play this game now. But we have already set an rule that you cannot quit the game.
Yeah, you cannot
So
back out. Yeah.
you cannot back out. Yeah. So they have to be in the game, and we
Distributed
distributed
the saris.
saris to each participant, and then yeah, they started, and then they realized that how difficult it is, because they didn't know actually. What I think is, boys like to see a girl in a sari, but they don't know how much effort we have
I
to
was
like.
so scared for a second. I thought you were going to say something very bad. But anyway,
No,
go
no,
on.
no, of course not. I mean, they like to see a girl in a sari, but they don't know how much efforts they have to take to wear a sari and to carry it throughout a day. So I think
Mhm.
that day they must have realized that this is a difficult task,
They've
and we
learned
should
their
not
lesson.
ask. Sorry.
They've learned their lesson after that game.
Exactly, they have learned their lessons, and I think two or three guys managed somehow to wear not properly, but somehow they managed to wear a sari, to put on a sari on the other guy. But that was so funny, and guys were looking so funny. I still have that video, and whenever I watch that video, I laugh a lot, and I think all the audience laugh, laugh a
Were
lot
laugh.
on.
You can say were laughing like crazy, or they
Yes.
absolutely enjoyed the event or the game.
Exactly. They enjoyed. I think that was the center of the attraction on for that particular day. Everyone enjoyed a lot, and we were so happy because we took our revenge. Maybe that's why.
So,
Yeah,
what
that
game
was
did
the.
you have for the girls? I want to know that.
For girls, there were so many games like balloon games. There are lots of games
Oh,
like
so this is like
balloon.
normal games. You didn't embarrass them.
Yeah.
This
No,
is
not
not
at all.
fair. I think
Why?
this is not fair.
See, girls are anyways like they are always. I mean, what I feel is girls are always conscious, and they get embarrassed with the small things. If a girl is walking and she falls down, or she is about to fall, then also she gets embarrassed. I mean,
She
that's
gets
how it is.
embarrassed. Yeah.
She gets embarrassed. So I think that is enough for the girls. So I thought, why not with the
You
boys?
didn't want to put
And
them through more trouble.
exactly, and we also make them. We also ask them to do ramp walk also with that sari. That was a lot of fun.
So
Did I miss
how were
that?
the women? Yes, go ahead.
did I say correctly? Like we asked them to do a ramp walk, or I can say it in
You can
different
say
way.
we asked them to walk the ramp.
We asked them to walk a ramp.
The ramp.
Okay, yeah,
Okay.
okay.
So that was correct. I want to know, how did you decide the winners of that event?
Okay, so that was, I think, both the things, how they wore the sari and how they like walk on the ramp, both the
Okay,
things.
so both.
And decide, we were not the deciders. We have judges who
Obviously, we
like,
had guests coming
yeah.
in, like,
So they have decided
yes.
internally, but we had a lot of fun, and I think doesn't matter who is the winner, but I think winner is also my friend. So we still make fun of him still.
So I think
Yeah.
the funniest thing that ever happened to me in my school, okay, was when I was not even in school. I passed out of my school, and
Mm-hmm.
some of our juniors invited two or three of us to come back and be judges in a debate. All right. So
Yeah.
you know how we have inter-house debate, red house, green house, blue house,
Yeah.
yellow house, I guess. Yeah. So they had this inter-house debate, and they wanted us to be the judges of that debate. And in the debate, um, I'm not going to say names, but
Okay.
basically there was a side fighting against someone, and and a side fighting for someone. Okay,
Okay.
and the case that they chose to talk about was about a particular celebrity who had driven over someone while at night, driven over people at night. I'm not going to say names, but I
Okay.
think,
Yeah.
yeah,
Obviously.
huh. So now I think now you get it. So
Mm-hmm.
the funniest thing happened when, I think the funniest things that ever happened to you in life are the ones where you cannot laugh right there and then. You have to hold your laughter. Don't you think? Like, because it's so much funnier. Let's say something funny happens, and like,
Uh-huh.
you can't laugh. Like, you're not allowed to laugh in that situation.
Okay.
But you look at your friends and you're like, oh yes, we're going to laugh about this a lot later. Like when we're allowed to laugh.
Okay.
So the three of us were sitting there and we were just judging this debate. And the person fighting against the let's say accused. I'm going to say accused. He was fighting against the accused, and he said that this person did this, he did that. We have evidence of this. We have proof that this person did this. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
then they said that to make himself feel better, to make that accused feel better, he started doing a lot of charity. He
Okay.
started a
Oh God.
clothing brand. He started a clothing brand and he started doing a lot of charity. Okay.
Okay.
So, okay. And the funniest thing happened when that other team, to rebuttal that kind of statement, he came and said, well, yes, he is feeling guilty, so he is doing charity. And I'm like,
Okay.
and we were laughing and we were like, did you just admit to the fact that that person did that crime?
Yeah.
Like, and as
That's
soon
why
as
I'm
he
doing.
said it, the whole hall is like, wait, he just admitted to it. Like he's supposed to fight for the client, for the person who's accused. And I just looked at my friend, and we were all like, everyone was in their uniform, and all of us were in our suits because we're supposed to be
Okay.
judges.
Yeah.
I looked at him, and he looked at me, and we're like, yeah, go on, we'll laugh about this later. And it was so hilarious because as soon as the debate got over, that guy who made the mistake, he literally went me through the mic. He got so pissed off that he lost. And we're like, you will lose. You admitted to the fact that the person did it.
That was a game, right?
It was like inter-house debate competition. So the debate topic
Okay. Okay.
was basically that did he do it? Did he not do it?
Okay. And he admitted the mistake, but he didn't realize at that time.
He was in.
Oh my God.
He was really
He
hyper.
was
He was
in
like,
flow.
no, he didn't do it. Yeah. So that
Oh
person
my
is like,
God.
your client felt guilty, so he
Yeah.
started a clothing brand and started doing a lot of charity. So everyone thinks, oh, he's a good person, right? And he's like, yeah, well, he is a good person. He feels bad about it, so now he's doing charity. And we're like, why did you just say that? It was so hilarious. And the hall was filled with like 500 people, huh, by the way. And all of us, like, we could hear people just laughing behind us. And we're like,
Yeah.
yeah, we can't laugh because we're on camera and like we're judges. So it was like a hilarious like thing that happened. Um, anyway, Arushi, I want to mention a couple of things that you incorrectly said.
Okay.
Mostly the issues today were pronunciation and This is not an issue, but a lot of sentences you could have said easily. I think you complicated a lot of sentences. I understand that you were trying to kind of get the sentence structure and
Yes.
express nicely, which is very nice. I can see the improvement. I can see the effort you're making. I can literally see you filter the sentences and correct yourself, which is very nice. Okay, that's a habit that you should always have, even if you're doing anything else in life, not just speaking in English. I do that even when I'm assigned a task. I keep filtering. Should I ask more questions? Do I know everything about this? Is there anything I need to ask? I should ask now only because I'll start doing the work and then I'll call that person again, my boss or my anyone like a client, and I'll say, Acha, now that I've started working, I wanted to know. And they're like, "But why didn't you ask me first?"
Yeah,
Right?
exactly. Yes.
So that is a system, like that system needs to be there in everyone's life. How you use it is completely up to you. Okay. So
Yes.
I'm very happy to see that at least you started. I don't know if you did Pele also, but in English at least I can see that system is working now for you a
Yes.
little bit.
Yes. Yes.
Right?
Yes.
In terms of making efforts at home, what are you doing? I know you're watching the videos again. Other than that, what are you doing?
Other than that, now I don't get a lot of time, so I'm not doing a lot of things. But yeah, those things again, like what I was doing before. What can you suggest me to do now?
So your pronunciation of the word wearing a sari.
Wearing a sari?
Yeah, so you were saying wear, I think, something like that. You just see the recording again. But
Okay.
you were saying it a little bit incorrectly. It's not that much, but just go through
Okay.
it again. Other than that, I would just like to tell you go through the video, see if there are any words you mispronounced. Google the
Okay. Yeah.
pronunciation and then just repeat it 5 times. Wear,
All right.
wear a sari. One
Wearing a
person,
sari.
one person had to dress up the other person. One person had to make sure he put the sari onto the other person. One person had to help the other person put the
Yes.
sari on. Basically, all of these things. So nothing was like the session was great. I think we had a fun session. The grammar was good.
Yes. Okay.
The thought process is a little confusing, but again, the more you practice, the better you will get. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
I think that's about it. Session's about to get over. I would just like to say bye.
Okay. Yeah. Bye.